anything I actually...
During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train, and if possible, with your feet flat on the floor, with your head back against the headrest.
If there's anything I actually don't like about these trains, it's almost everything. I don't like these trains. But, I don't know why, but this ride also just seems to get a lot of hate. But today, we're gonna find out why. I already have the credit on this, but I don't remember it. Here we go.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and your head against the headrest. Dare to enjoy your ride on Tempesto.
Here we go. That was good though.
Welcome back, Daredevils. Exiting guests, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and exit carefully to your right, stepping over and out of the ride vehicle. Thank you for riding Tempesto, and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
That actually wasn't as bad as everyone says it is. Why do people hate this ride? It's really not that bad.